buddies, welcome back. It's Sophie, and today I'm going to show you how you can change the frames per second on your Huawei Mate X3. For that, you want to go to your settings and then go to display and brightness. Then we can go to screen refresh rate here, and right now it's set to dynamic. We can also choose high refresh rate up to 120 for highly smooth visuals. Uses more power though, or we set it to standard, save power by limiting the refresh rate to 60. So you'll go with the high now, and then you can scroll here, and if we set it to standard, I think you can see the difference. It's not a big difference, but there is a difference, I'd say. So you can choose what you like best here, high or standard, or you set it to dynamic and then let the phone decide what it needs. It'll probably save you some battery if you set it to dynamic, because you don't always need a refresh rate like up to 120. So if you make your settings here, you can just go back and then use your phone as normal again. That's how you can customize the refresh rate. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.